I ran into some experiences where I saw people who were, alleged to have committed a crime, facing charges. And a lot of times I realized that, they are just the case number. Like, to the whole justice system, they are, case number so-and-so. No one really gets to know, like, why are they in this position? What really happened? You know what I mean? Like, what's gonna happen to them afterwards, right? And there's so much pressure on them, right? So, and when they have that pressure, it's like David versus Goliath kind of thing, right? And then you wanna be that person who's able to help them, who's able to balance things out as much as you can. And to me, it just kind of what drives me, like being able to like take the underdog and help that person and put them on equal playing fields. That to me was intriguing. When someone is arrested and charged, they become that case number. People don't really consider who they are, or how many kids they have. Are they married? How much their kids rely on them? What happens if they go to jail, lose their job? Is it gonna impact a family of 6? By getting to know the person, getting, say, character letters about them, or writing a brief mitigation package of, who they are and what they're about and where they come from and what they've accomplished, what setbacks they have, or what community work that they do, for example. By presenting that when the time comes, you're able to make sure that your client isn't just a case number, but now that person has a name and a story. Because if they're convicted, then that's what matters, right? Because if the judge is given discretion, or if anyone's given discretion as to what should happen to that person, that you can kind of have an impact on that discretion by saying, hey, this is all my client has working for him or her. And if I don't do that, nobody will do that. Nobody will come and talk to my client and say, hey, how many kids do you have? Do they rely on you? Are you the sole provider? That's never asked. That's up to us, it's up to me to make sure that that's portrayed.